Diane, you ready to hike?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this. This is Butcher Jones Trailhead parking lot. And it's little before 6:30 and it's already pretty full. So get here early. So here's the start to the trail, right off the beach. I believe it's about like 5 or 6 miles out and back. So we just started. This is the first lake view, not even a quarter of a mile in. So this trail is a little rocky, definitely kind of narrow, but it's not bad. Just gotta watch your step. But the views, cannot beat these views. Alright, so time for a snack at this Beyond Meat Jerky Teriyaki. It's a nice little snack. Perfect for the heat because it doesn't really melt. So snack time. So looking behind us, we can see the Four Peaks, which is right over there. Here's the beach where we came from. Just amazing, amazing trail. I can't believe I've lived here 6 years and this is the first time I've hiked this. Someone stopped for a little snack. What are we eating? Oh, a Misfits bar. So, been walking a little under 2 miles, and I think we're just going to take it down to this beach area down here, and then possibly head back. Been kind of going pretty slow because it's just so scenic. Keep stopping to take photos, shoot some video. So we've been out here for about 2 hours. So probably gonna have to turn around soon. But it's just stunning out here. I can't recommend this enough. I wish it hadn't taken 6 years to find this. And it's only 30 minutes from our house. Okay, check out this beach. Oh my god, this is just perfect. What do you think of this?